Seriously, Isama, I want to know what you want. What do you want to accomplish with these 8 pages? You seriously want to hurt us from inside, won't you, Isama? The original chapter was okay, average, kind of average, and there was mixed opinion about it. That's fine. But this 8 pages has left me feeling hollow from inside. Such disappointment from such a great series, man. I had so high hopes for AOT. I dreamt of it being one of the greatest masterpieces of this generation. I had so much expectations from you, Isayama. But what did you give us? What did we get, man? I have no much words to say to it. In this video, it's basically a rant video. I will talk about my issues with this chapter, new 8 pages, which is my released for volume 39. The first biggest problem I have with is why did Mikasa marry Jean or have kids with him or start a family? She never got over Eren's loss, and just Jean was just a puppet uh, replacement for Eren, right? So this completely leads to a degradation of Jean's character. This is complete disappointment. And after her death, she was married to next to Eren, a person who she never got over. And even Mikasa's brought her own children with Jean to that same grave of Eren Yeager. Why did Jean even marry her? Is he just a replacement, a puppet replacement with a who always wore a mask of Eren in front of Mikasa? Right? What the fuck? And what the fuck happened to King Fritz? We see up here in this chapter, we've seen that it was King Fritz who died, and since the founder Titan's powers, she did not save her, did not give her own life instead of King Fritz. That's fine. That's good. That's the best part of the chapter. I hate King Fritz. He was a bullshit crap individual. The next thing I want to talk about is that my hypothesis or my proposal that in the future the less 20% of the whole world population will destroy paradise as a revenge or because of the hatred for them, and it proved to be true. It's true. We can see that everything Eren did was for nothing, which is a bull crap thing. Now let's talk about the next biggest problem. We will be getting better the next generations. That's crap. That's seriously crap, bro. That's seriously crap. As you can see in this chapter 139 ending, Mikasa's future progeny or down generations, this girl enters the same tree which Ymir did and got a Titan pass. So we will getting another sequel, a trashy sequel to the Gate series of Attack on Titan. So now it all comes down to money, right? Seriously, Sama, you wanted just money, right? Or is it the publisher who forced you to do this shit? Why? Why did you destroy everything in this last chapter, few pages, and make a trashy sequel? Sama, why? Are you just trying to milk this series? I have no words more. I have no nothing more to say. Just disappointment. I hope that you guys like this video, and please tell me what you would rate Attack on Titan after all this crap bullshit. I would rate just 3 or 4 out of 10. Before it was 10 out of 10 for me. I've spent so many years on this series to just be disappointed in the end. It just feels bad. I'm stopping this video now.